Find or read reviews that people are talking of Dreametech L10s Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Dreametech L10s Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Fully automated cleaning, automatic dust collection, mop cleaning and drying, water refilling, solution adding, fast mapping, and path planning all combine to make fully automated home cleaning a reality. The convenient auto-empty system utilizes our exclusive Dual Boost 2.0 system to blow air into the robot's dust box and vacuum it into a 3 liters dust bag, giving you up to 60 days of automatic hands-off cleaning. Advanced AI navigation. The advanced AI action utilizes an RGB camera and 3D structured light to rapidly learn your home, tailor cleaning strategies, and auto-generate paths according to the type of obstacle, flooring, and room. Robust vacuuming and carpet cleaning. Powerful 5300 PA suction, automatic carpet detection, suction boost, and a robust rubber brush coordinate to pull household debris, hair, and dust from floors and carpets. Set cleaning behavior to have carpet identification, avoid carpets while mopping or simply raise the mop pads while vacuuming. Makes floors shine. Dual rotary mops spin at 180 rpm under firm pressure to thoroughly scrub floors, covering up to 2,152 square feet, 200 square meter, with a large 2.5-liter water tank, to make your wood, tile, vinyl, or other hard floors refreshingly clean. Cleans and dries its mops. The mops are lifted automatically when returning to the base station to ensure your floors stay pristine. Automatic mop cleaning immerses the mops in water and spins them at high speed against grooves in the removable base plate to dislodge dirt. After cleaning is complete, the mops are dried with hot air in as little as 2 hours to help prevent odor. Customize your cleaning from anywhere. Create multiple maps for multi-floor houses, segment rooms, create virtual walls, set no-go zones, and create cleaning schedules and routines. Start, pause, or stop cleaning with voice commands, or supervise your home using the video control in the app. The power is at the tip of your tongue and the ends of your fingers. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.